A new day begins. A shark car is driving on the road. Oh no! It loses control.
Oh no!
It hits the bridge pillar. The bridge breaks. Cars fall down.
Oh my God! Help me!
2 shark cars are trapped. The crane truck comes to help.
Help me! Okay.
Crane truck.
The green shark car is rescued first.
Wow! Good job!
Now the red shark car is safe too.
Amazing! Come here! Yes. Okay.
Let's repair the bridge.
Let's go!
Broken fences are loaded away.
Look at this! What's next?
Drill truck.
Okay. Let's go!
The drill truck breaks the road.
Yeah! Come here!
Bulldozer.
Okay. Look at this!
The bulldozer pushes the trash away.
Nice! I like it. Very nice.
Thank you very much. Steel frames are added.
Wow, it's a nice slide.
Concrete is poured.
Good job.
New guardrails are installed. Great job! The bridge is fixed.
Bye-bye.
Hey guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye. See you next time.